Just record me straight up like this. Because, is it me? Am I in video?
Huh?
Alright, so, this is what the Ryker Doctor got in for today. Whole new front end, front grille, radiator fan, brackets. So all of this is getting replaced. Gonna fix this light. This was broken in the accident, and we're gonna add some LED lighting around, a little bit of a LED accent, and pretty much start her up, and hopefully we can get this on the road. So come see the Ryker Doctor. Alright, so this is just in for the Ryker Doctor. Well, it doesn't look like frame damage, so that's what's cool. Looks like you didn't crack the fenders, so it's not as bad as I thought, but I know the front is gonna be. Nothing holding the radiator.
Right, so I saw that the things wasn't on there, and I guess that's why the front keep coming down.
Yeah, I think the support bracket's gonna be bad. I don't know if you're leaking from here. I mean, we could just change it on the safe side, because this looks like this was all sprayed up from the radiator.
Right, so it did. When they came to get me when it overheated, they took it off and it, came
Oh yeah,
up.
yeah. Might be good on the support. I don't think it's bent.
Really?
Yeah, we might be able to return it. So this is the part I thought that was bent in here. You see where the control arm goes into, and this metal frame goes underneath. I thought that was bent, but looks like it's not. I mean, looks like it's cracked a little bit here, but see that? But that's not something I can't fix. A little plastic weld will hold that together. Oh, so it's not that bad. Not as bad as I thought. So you want to do this and the lights, right? All right, so I could do, since I don't have to change the support, I usually charge the lights, but since I'm doing a big job and I have everything out, I'll just put it all together. Because radiators, to redo the radiator, redo the front, then I gotta take your piece off your hood and replace your hood panel. So I think that's pretty good. Good? Alright, I'll get to work. I might be able to get this done in a day if I have the clamps for the radiator. I don't know if I have clamps. I know I have clamps for this one. Alright, I'm just wait till it cools off a little bit so I can get in there. Start by taking this off and replacing this light. The whole fender gotta come off and underneath to get this light out. And I gotta take this off. This is a screw holding the light in. Once again, the radiator support bent. Fan busted up. We cracked the housing for the fuses. This foot, no bent frame, supports intact, battery didn't crack, no leak in the battery. Am I holding my camera while I open this up? Thank you. This is how my YouTube, this is how I pay the bills. For YouTube, I'm fixing everybody's bike. That can't be fixed. And don't want to get ripped off by a dealership.
Right.
We're going to salvage this front skid plate and put it back on to keep more disasters from happening. Okay, so front end's installed, radiator, we just put the coolant in. I'm going to let it run to see if we get overheating. Mount an LED rock light kit now to this Ryker, and as soon as I figure out the combination of where it's gonna go and how I'm gonna line it up, then I'll start sticking it on. But all of these have to be hidden inside the bike. Oh, you get in it. YouTube famous. Another one in for the Ryker Doctor. Another one out happy. Look at the smiling. Got her back on the road. That's what's up. Ryker Doctor, fix another one. Follow me on YouTube, like, subscribe, all that cool stuff. Bring it in for the service.